Hey guys, it's Gabby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to teach your child to make the k sound using verbal, visual, and tactile cues. Start off by telling them to say key or caw. Give your child a few chances to produce the k sound correctly. If this cue doesn't work, then we need to make them aware of where their tongue goes. First, tell them to touch the roof of their mouth with the back of their tongue. Then show them by opening your mouth wide enough for them to see your tongue, like this. You can also give them a mirror so they can see their own tongue. If they need more assistance, say, "Okay, now we're going to make your tongue look like a slide." You may want to show your child a picture like this one, or you can use your hand to show them what their tongue should look like. If they still aren't quite getting their tongue in the right position, then use a tongue depressor or a sucker to hold down the tip of their tongue while they raise the back of their tongue to produce the k sound, like this. K. If you have any questions or want to share any thoughts or ideas, feel free to comment below. I hope this was helpful.